Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about another lecture in biochemistry, which is thyroid function test. First we want to see about the synthesis of the thyroid hormone. From the brain, there is a positive stimulus in the hypothalamus. TRH releases, which is thyrotropic releasing hormone in anterior pituitary. When there is a positive feedback mechanism, the THS level, it gives a positive signal to thyroid stimulating hormone, and this releases the thyroid hormone, which is T3 and T4. When there is more amount of THS, there will be decreased amount of thyroid stimulating hormone, which is T3 and T4 level decreases, and this creates an inhibitory action in anterior pituitary, and TRH level also decreases, and hypothalamus is also decreases. Now thyroid gland produces two hormones, which is T3 and T4. The thyroid gland contains a protein which is known as thyroglobulin. This thyroglobulin is a protein, so it has many amino acids. In that, the one of the most important amino acid for thyroid hormone synthesis is thyrosin, which thyrosin iodinated to monoiodothyrosin. Two monoiodothyrosin unites together to form diiodothyrosin, and when the two monoiodothyrosin plus diiodothyrosin forms T4. This is how T3 and T4 forms. Thyroid function test. In vitro and in vivo. It is divided into in vitro as well as in vivo. In vitro, which is total serum test, total serum detection of T3 and T4, free serum detection of T3 and T4, blood thyroxine binding globulin, rise in uptake, as well as serum THS, thyroid stimulating hormone, serum level in THS, as well as in vivo test are thyroid uptake, I2 uptake, iodine uptake, TRH stimulating test, THS, thyroid stimulating hormone stimulating test. These are the thyroid function test. Now we will see about the first test, in which in vitro, which is total serum T3 as well as T4 level. The serum T4 assay is more reliable than T3. The normal values of T3 is 70 to 200. Here T4 is 5 to 12.5 microgram per deciliter. Clinical interpretation are these increased level, if the level of this T3 as well as T4 is increased, it is seen in increased level is seen in hyperthyroidism and increase in thyroxine binding globulin, decreased in hypothyroidism and decreased concentration of TBG. Free serum T3 and T4, more reliable than total T3 and T4, independent of changes in concentration of affinity to TBG. The normal value is free T3 is 3 to 4 and free T4 is 10 to 27. The clinical interpretation are increased value is seen in hyperthyroidism and thyrotoxicosis, and decreased value is seen in hypothyroidism. The thyroxine binding globulin, a plasma protein transport T3 and T4, useful in determination of congenital excess or deficient of thyroxine binding globulin. The normal value of this is 12 to 28. The clinical interpretation. where this increased level is seen in hypothyroidism and decreased level is seen in hyperthyroidism. There is a fourth test which is in vitro, measures the binding capacity of the plasma TBG. The patient serum is incubated with I-125 and T3, which is labeled hormone binding to unoccupied binding sites of TBG, thyroxine binding globulin. The unattached iodine is removed by solid adsorbent or antibody. The amount of radioactive hormone, uptake of radioactive hormone by the ricin is determined, and the T3 uptake is the percentage of the labeled hormone taken up by the ricin. The amount of radioactive hormone is taken by the ricin is observed, as well as the T3 uptake is labeled by the amount of ricin uptake, the inversely related to the unoccupied binding sites of TBG. The normal values are 25 to 35. The clinical interpretation are increased level is seen in hyperthyroidism and decreased level is seen in hypothyroidism. Now we will see about the serum TSS, which is thyroid stimulating hormone, a sensitive and specific reliable test of thyroid status. The normal value are 2 to 6 micron meter. Clinical interpretation: increased level is seen in primary hypothyroidism and decreased level is seen in primary hyperthyroidism, secondary hypothyroidism, as well as tertiary hypothyroidism. Now we will see about the in vivo test of thyroid function test. The thyroid iodine uptake. A trace amount of radioactive iodine is given to a patient. The concentration of the radioactive iodine in the thyroid emits a gamma ray detected by the counting devices, and the measure percentage of the radioactive I2 concentrate in the gland. The normal values are 1 to 13% is observed after 5 hours and 15 to 45% is observed after 24 hours. The clinical interpretation are increased uptake hyperthyroidism and decreased uptake this hypothyroidism and thyrotoxicosis. The TRH stimulation test, it is another test of in vivo. IV administration of thyrotropic releasing hormone. This increases the level of THS and increased level of T3 and T4. The normal value is increased THS approximately 2 times the baseline, the greater in female than the male. The clinical interpretation are increased level is seen in hypothyroidism 2 or more times, the secondary hypothyroidism no response, and tertiary hypothyroidism THS rise after a day. Decreased level is seen in hyperthyroidism. The THS stimulation test. IV administration of thyroid stimulating hormone, which increases the radioactive thyroid as well as increases T3 and T4. Differentiates the primary hypothyroidism from the secondary or tertiary hypothyroidism. The normal value are, the T4 is, and the radioactive I2 is 1.5 times the baseline. The clinical interpretation: increased level is seen in secondary hypothyroidism, no response in primary hypothyroidism, and Hashimoto thyroiditis. This is all about the thyroid function test. Thank you. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.